Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to basically change your wallpaper on an iPhone. So there are basically two methods or three methods to this, but I'm going to be showing you the easiest one right away. So you want to find an empty spot on your device, like on your wallpaper, your home screen, press and hold. When you see the widgets bouncing around, tap edit on your left hand side, edit wallpaper, and at the bottom it says photos. You can basically choose whatever photo you want. You can choose blur, and yeah, that is the one method. The other method is you go into settings, you scroll all the way down to wallpaper. Basically you say add new wallpaper, and it's going to allow you to choose multiple pictures. Now over time, when you set wallpapers, you can set out your layout on your apps, and yeah, they will basically accumulate over time. So when you come here to wallpapers, you can choose different faces as you would like what the wallpaper you have set. And when you do this, it'll automatically change according to the customization you set for the app icon. So yeah, over time you can see I had multiple wallpapers with different kind of app layouts, and yeah, they will all store in here. So basically that's it. That's how you change a wallpaper on an iPhone.